Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for checking out my video. And if you're OG, then welcome back. So as you see from the title, I have a new haul for you from bulkwholesale.com. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, continue to watch. I ordered a furniture and decor case from bulk.com. I spent $113 plus shipping, brought me all in at $147. I'm hoping that the majority of the items in this case will be able to go to Amazon, because as you see, I've been doing more garage sales and estate sales and everything, so those are more for eBay. So this case, I hope I can actually send it to Amazon so that I can have that stream of income still coming in. So I forgot my gloves. Yep, forgot my gloves. But I do have my wipes, so we are going to just pull one out. As we go along, we're going to wipe it down and we'll go from there. And I will be shooting a listing video right behind this so that you can see what goes to Amazon and what doesn't. Okay? So let's dig in. Off the top, I got this heavy curtain by Exclusive Home. It's 254 by 96 curtain panel in the color winter, or it says London winter. So this is how it looks. This is the Perfect Craft Kits potted flower garden, and you can make 2 gardens out of this. Yeah, it says make 2 gardens right there. Yep. Next is this Sun 01 curtain panel, 52 by 95. And it's like this gold color, or maybe like a mustard yellow color. Next up is this light filtering curtain panel set. It's 2 of them. And it's by Threshold, and they're 84 inches in length. This is in the pattern Aquacana. Okay, so next is this Waverly Sun and Shade 1 grommet panel, and it's in the color Ivory. And I have quite a few of this one, so it's a sheer one. Sorry for the light. There you go. Got it? There you go. So it's sheer, but it's only one, but I have quite a few of them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yes, even Steven, and this is about to fall over. We have this My Zone Kids window. I guess it's a curtain. It says 1 UPS. So I don't know if it was returned. Yeah, it's 1 window panel, 50-inch width, 63-inch length. Okay, next is Sun 0 curtain panel, 52-inch width by 84 inches. Remember, one thing I learned about curtains is when you shop in the first number, it's actually the width. You know, you learn in school that it's done length times width times height. In curtains and in furniture, it's width times length. Okay, so the first number is 52 inches, so that means that's how wide it is. And the second number is 84 inches. That's how long it's going to be from the top to the floor. Next is this No 918 or number 918, and it's a curtain tier valance, and it's only 1 valance, 58 inches in width, 14 inches in length in the color ivory, and it's like a lace kind of. It kind of reminds me of your, what you would do with your tablecloth. And I have 1, 2, 3 of these. I have another one of the Sun Zero panel. This is 92 by 95 inch. I don't remember if the other one was the same size length. I think it was longer. Let's see if I can pull it out here. No, it's the same length. So good, I have 2. And this is just 1 panel, so now I have 2. And it's the same one, that mustard colored one. And the last thing I have is this Pillow Fort Clay Tent. And remember, it's brand new. So I think this is more for a girl because it's like in a lavender color. And yeah, everything is still intact. Everything's folded. You see the rods are still covered in plastic. Okay guys, so that is it for this unboxing. See, short, sweet, and to the point, right? Okay, so stay tuned to the next video. It's going to be the listing video. Will I make my money back? Will I be able to send this stuff to Amazon? Or will I have made a mistake in buying this case? Find out next in my listing video. See you over there. Bye.